Building a database step by step. What will you learn? In this lesson, you'll learn how to build a simple database starting from Excel. Why Excel? Because it's a space you already feel comfortable with. Working in Excel will help you understand how a database is organized before we move on to Access later. Let's open a new Excel workbook and create 3 sheets that will form the foundation of our database. The first sheet will be called Students. The second sheet will be called Subjects. And the third sheet will be called School. Remember, the names of these sheets will later match the table names in Access. Let's start entering data in our first table, the Students table. This table keeps basic details about each student. In row 1, type these column headings: Student ID, Student name, Student surname, Student date of birth. The student ID is our primary key. That means it uniquely identifies each record, just like your ID number identifies you. We'll add only 3 records for now. Next, move to the Subjects sheet. Here, we'll list some of the subjects available at our school, but first, let's type these headings. Subject ID. Subject name. The subject ID is again a primary key. Let's enter just 2 subjects, Maths and English. Now go to the third sheet, School. This table connects students and subjects together. In fact, in database terms, this is called a junction table. Type the following column headings: School ID, Student ID, Subject ID. The school ID is the primary key. The other 2, Student ID and Subject ID, are foreign keys because they come from other tables and help link them together. So what's really happening here? Each student can study more than one subject. For example, Maria might take both Maths and English. At the same time, each subject can be chosen by many different students. For example, Maths might be chosen by Maria, Luca, and Stephanie. This means that one student can be linked to several subjects, and one subject can be linked to several students. We call that a many-to-many relationship. To understand it better, think of it this way: any student may choose any subject available. The lines show a web of connections going both ways, and that's exactly what a many-to-many relationship looks like in a database. To manage all those links neatly, we use a special table called School. It sits in the middle and keeps track of which student is linked to which subject. Before we finish, let's fill in the Schools table to show the subject choices of the students using their IDs. While entering the IDs, think of each number as representing a student or a subject. For example, in the first row, student 1 is Maria and subject 1 is Maths. This will help you understand that behind the numbers are actual students and subjects. Now that you've learnt how a database is structured by working in Excel, in the next lesson we'll repeat the same process, but this time in Microsoft Access. That's when things start to get interesting.
Save the file on your desktop and upload it to OneDrive or Google Drive. Remember to write finished or incomplete at the end of the file name. Also, consider adding your initials at the end of the file name so you can find your own work easily.